Now we're going to go back across in half double crochet. Now, if you are like me and kind of a math person, half of double should be 1, right? Half of double should be 1. It's not 1. Why is it not 1? Because what do we do in double crochet that's different from single? So in single crochet, it's 1 loop, 1 loop. In double crochet, it's a yarn over, which creates a second loop, 2 loops, plus the one you carried over. And in treble crochet, there are 3, 1, 2, and then the one you pull through, right? So 1, 2, 3, that's how it gets its name. So half double crochet is exactly the beginning half of a double crochet. So it's like you stop in the middle and finish it. So you go through, you have your yarn over, you're going through, you grab the yarn and you pull through, and instead of stopping here and doing it again, you just go straight through, okay? I know, confusing, half double crochet, like I would have called it, 3/4 crochet or something, I don't know. But they didn't ask me when they named it. They didn't, I don't know why, but they didn't. So here we go, half double crochet, working our way across. Very quick. And what you'll notice about the half double crochet stitch as compared to a double crochet is that it actually uses as much yarn, very close to the same amount of yarn as the double crochet, but creates a much tighter stitch. So it's almost the same amount of yarn in grams. So if you were to weigh each row here separately, let's take a look. This is my half double crochet row, treble, double, single. You can see the height here of the double crochet row. Can you see that? And look at the height of the half double crochet. It literally looks like a 0.75 row. Again, nobody asked me what it should be called, so this is the name it got. And when I mentioned it to my spouse, he thought it was hilarious, half double. Like, are we not mathing here? No, we're not mathing. It is not math. Don't try to apply math logic to stitch naming. It is going to mess with your brain. So this is the end of the first 5 stitch videos.